Hi, this is Brian Weekley at Snow Carpio and Weekley. If your deposition has been set and you've received a notice of deposition, usually from our office, here are a few things to note. A deposition is a normal part of any workers' compensation case where there's litigation involved over benefits. A deposition is fairly simple and straightforward. An attorney who's hired usually by the insurance company, but they represent the insurance company or a third-party administrator or employer. It's their opportunity to ask you questions face-to-face about your case. Nowadays with COVID, it's not face-to-face. It's via video normally or via telephone commonly. Depositions in workers' comp cases typically take half an hour to an hour. They involve basic questions like your name and your address. Are you working? What doctors have you seen for your injury? What part of your body was injured? Have you had surgery? Has the surgery been successful? What are your current symptoms? Have you looked for work? You know, things like that. The number one rule, and I've said this in my 32 years of doing this, is just be honest and upfront. Whether you think it's going to help your case or not, just be honest and upfront and be yourself. Those are the best tools. The only way to really hurt yourself in a deposition is if you're not telling the truth. If you're trying to deceive the questioner, for example. Another important point, if you don't know the answer to something, just say you don't know or you don't remember. That's fine. That's preferable to guessing. Your natural inclination when somebody is questioning you in a formal session is to try to, I think, please the questioner and provide answers. But a lot of times you don't know, and the right answer is, I don't know. There's nothing wrong with it. The deposition is not a test. You're not graded on it. The person asking you a question is not a judge. They're not making a decision on your case. They're representing the other side on your case. So, very important. Now, we'll talk before your deposition and after your deposition. During the deposition, if you need to talk to me, just say, hey, Brian, I have a question, and we can go off record and you can ask me the question. Normally in workers' comp, there are a limited number of attorneys that do comp, and so we know the defense attorneys, they know the questions to ask. They're generally not going to ask questions that are irrelevant or harassing or lack foundation, et cetera, et cetera. So in general, there are very few objections in these depositions. The client provides information, the deposition's closed. And that's it for deposition. So if you'd like to talk, of course, give me a call. These are some basics about depositions in Arizona workers' compensation cases. Thank you.